need to slow down for a moment and take this in, because what's happening in the car industry right now isn't a gradual change anymore. It's a shift. The kind that doesn't make noise at first, but once you notice it, you can't unsee it. This is one of those moments. This is the BYD Yangwang U8, and this is the Yangwang U8L, the extended luxury version. And together, they represent something we haven't really had before. A luxury SUV that isn't just expensive or powerful, but deeply over-engineered in ways that feel almost unnecessary until you realize how intentional all of it is. At first glance, the Yangwang U8 doesn't try to charm you. It's tall, wide, and unapologetically square. This isn't European elegance, and it's not trying to look sporty either. The design feels serious, almost industrial. The grille is upright and bold, the lighting is sharp and technical, and the overall stance feels more like a machine built for extremes than a fashion statement. It looks like it belongs in places where roads end and excuses don't matter. Then you notice the hardware. The sensors on the roof aren't decoration. This SUV is equipped with LiDAR, multiple cameras, radar, and ultrasonic sensors, constantly scanning its surroundings and building a three-dimensional map of the environment in real time. This isn't future tech being teased. It's active, working, and already integrated into how the vehicle drives, reacts, and protects its occupants. The standard U8 is already massive, measuring roughly 5.3 meters in length, but the U8L goes even further. BYD stretched the wheelbase by around 200 millimeters, pushing total length to approximately 5.4 meters. That extra space completely changes the personality of the vehicle. The U8 feels like a technological off-road flagship. The U8L feels like that same flagship, redesigned with rear seat passengers as the priority. One of the most talked about features of the U8, and yes, this is real, is its ability to float. If the vehicle enters deep water and sensors detect loss of ground contact, the suspension automatically raises to maximum height, the cabin seals itself, and the SUV stays afloat. The wheels then act as paddles, allowing the vehicle to move at about 3 kilometers per hour towards safety. It can remain afloat for up to 30 minutes. This isn't a marketing stunt, it's an emergency system designed for floods and extreme scenarios. What's even more interesting is that BYD didn't remove this feature for the U8L. Even the luxury-focused long wheelbase version keeps this capability intact. Now, let's talk power, because this is where the numbers start to feel unreal. Both the U8 and U8L use BYD's E4 platform, which means 4 independent electric motors, one at each wheel. There's no traditional drive shaft, no central differential. Each wheel is controlled independently. Combined output is approximately 880 kilowatts, which translates to about 1180 horsepower, with peak torque figures exceeding 1500 Newton meters. This is a 3.5-ton SUV producing more power than many modern supercars. Despite that weight, the U8 can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 3.6 seconds, and the way it does it is important. There's no drama, no engine screaming for attention. It's smooth, controlled, and almost calm. Power delivery is instant but never aggressive. It doesn't feel like it's trying to prove anything. Because each wheel has its own motor, the vehicle can do something most SUVs simply can't: a full tank turn. By spinning the left wheels forward and the right wheels backward, the U8 can rotate 360 degrees on the spot. Is it practical? Not really for daily driving, but it highlights the level of control this drivetrain has, and off-road or in tight environments it can genuinely be useful. Despite all that electric power, this is not a full EV. BYD made a very deliberate choice here. Under the hood is a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine, but it does not drive the wheels. Its only job is to act as a generator. It charges the battery when needed. This setup gives the U8 a pure electric range of around 120 kilometers and a total combined range of over 1,000 kilometers under the CLTC cycle. In real-world terms, that means daily electric driving with the freedom of long-distance travel without range anxiety. For a vehicle of this size, this approach makes a lot of sense. Suspension is another area where BYD didn't hold back. The U8 uses a hydraulic suspension system, not just air suspension. This system can independently control each corner of the vehicle. If a tire loses pressure, the suspension can lift that corner and allow the vehicle to continue driving on 3 wheels at normal speeds to reach safety. That's not convenience engineering, that's extreme redundancy. Inside the cabin, the difference between the U8 and U8L becomes obvious very quickly. The standard U8 already feels premium, with extensive use of Nappa leather, real metal trim, and high-resolution displays. But the U8L shifts the experience entirely toward rear seat luxury. The second row becomes the main event. Legroom increases significantly, seat recline is deeper, and the overall atmosphere feels closer to a private lounge than an SUV. The dashboard layout features a 12.8-inch curved OLED center display, paired with a 23.6-inch digital instrument cluster and an additional 23.6-inch passenger display. The passenger screen includes a privacy filter, allowing video playback without distracting the driver. Processing power comes from a high-performance automotive chipset, making the interface fast, smooth, and responsive. Physical controls haven't been abandoned either. Climate and drive mode functions are controlled through metal switches that feel solid and deliberate. Air vents are motorized and rise from the dashboard when activated. It's theatrical, but in a restrained, premium way. The seats are wide and deeply cushioned, with heating, ventilation, and multi-zone massage. In the U8L, rear passengers get individual captain's chairs with near-zero gravity recline, powered leg rests, and footrests. Between the rear seats is a compressor refrigerator capable of cooling down to -6 degrees Celsius or heating up to 50 degrees Celsius. It's designed to hold full-size bottles, not just cans. This isn't an accessory, it's built in. Noise isolation is excellent. Acoustic glass, extensive sound deadening, and careful vibration control keep the cabin quiet even at highway speeds. Driver assistance systems work in the background using LiDAR, radar, and cameras to support adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and collision mitigation without feeling intrusive. One optional feature that really shows BYD's confidence is the roof-mounted drone system available on certain editions. This isn't a gimmick. The drone launches automatically, follows the vehicle using GPS, records cinematic footage, and returns to the roof where the system swaps batteries and recharges it, all while driving. It's unnecessary, impractical, and completely unforgettable. Now let's talk about price, because context matters. In China, the Yangwang U8L is priced at approximately 1.28 million RMB, which converts to roughly 180,000 USD. That is a lot of money, but this vehicle lives in a segment where a Rolls-Royce Cullinan starts above $400,000, a Mercedes-Maybach GLS approaches $100,000, and a fully loaded Range Rover SV can easily cross $170,000. None of those vehicles float. None of them tank turn. None of them offer this level of integrated hardware. This isn't about saying one is better than the other. It's about recognizing that the rules are changing. The Yangwang U8 and U8L aren't copying luxury. They're redefining what luxury can include when engineering is allowed to lead instead of branding. So here's the real question. If you had the choice, would you buy something refined slowly over decades, or something built around what's possible right now? Because whether we're ready or not, vehicles like the U8 and U8L are forcing the industry to respond, not with marketing, but with engineering. If you enjoyed this kind of calm, honest breakdown, make sure to like the video, subscribe to cxmoto, and press the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. The future of luxury SUVs isn't loud anymore. Sometimes it just shows up quietly and makes everything else feel a little outdated.